Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. My name is Jignesh and I teach art and craft from year 1998. I welcome you all to my channel Kalavriksh. The channel have been made for all the age group who love to explore art and craft. Today I am going to show a show reel what all things I have already uploaded over my channel and many more I am going to upload. So please like, share and put your suggestion in comments. So let's begin. Kalavriksh.
For small kids, easy pencil smudging bird, a bowl with expression pencil, a cartoon pencil, flower with a cartoon expression, smiley face, texture, scenery, an interactive figure drawing. This is very interesting. A house with a window that's popping out and there are kids and you can make it as a birthday card. A very simple and easy technique. This all is for small kids. Here is the artwork for middle age group. This is object drawing with a oil pastel. This is the same object drawing with a watercolor. This is with a poster color. It helps students who are appearing for elementary intermediate exam to understand this design with a texture, object drawing with a texture, coconut, milk glass, object drawing, again object drawing, pumpkin, still life, memory drawing, a girl holding umbrella with a doggy, fantasy art, oil pastel, design with a poster color, 2-point perspective and 3-point perspective. This all is for middle age group and the student who are appearing for elementary intermediate exams. It will be helpful to them. These are some pencil shading, flower, butterfly. You can get those tutorial on my channel Kalavriksh. Here are some artwork for adult. A portrait, fantasy girl portrait, a cartoon caricature with a watercolor, again very interesting portrait, a cartoon, how to feel saturated color on the face. This is a girl with an umbrella in a rain. There are few geometry also. This is made with a scale, a circle with a scale. Lettering, art is life with a fluorescent pen. Again lettering, name writing, name plate. This is interactive landscape. If you see, there is the depth have been given. It looks like a 3D frame. A detailed watercolor still life, watercolor flower, same watercolor flower, nature drawing. There are many different kind of flowers. This is done with a pencil color, bird of paradise flower, a kind of a Zentangel or a doodling in a vase with some shading. This is still life with a poster color. You see, the depth have been given in such a way it's create 3D. This is a fusion art where two types of artwork have been collaborated. One is Madhubani and other is a modern art. A cartoon drawing like a pony, fantasy art, a girl in colors, pencil sketch or a caricature, and pencil shading portrait. This is origami toy, a stress buster origami toy. You keep rotating from the middle, you keep getting new patterns. If you leave, it comes in the same position like a spring action. Even you can use this reverse side also. You can actually make a pattern upside down, downside up, till you get the same effect. Origami talking puppet. It can bite also. Flipping bird. Just try to pull the tail and it flips. Origami different expression. If I turn this, it becomes smiley. If I turn this, one eye is googly, both the eyes smiley face, and this is a normal sleeping mode. And you can have different patterns like this. This is origami cube. Never ending origami hexagon. It keeps getting rotated. Origami umbrella. This is an origami umbrella. This is something interesting. You can keep this around the diya. Keep a diya and keep around that diya for the Diwali decoration. Multi-purpose, multi-pocket wallet. This is very cute for a small kids. Origami box. This is called Modular Origami Box. Without cutting, without pasting, only with the folds you can make this kind of box. Speedboat with a single origami paper, a speedboat. US aircraft stealther. Mini gift bag. For decoration, zigzag butterfly. A very nice sweet peacock. A quick envelope with lock. There is a lock also. This is a boat with wings. It can fly.